have 2 more, please?
There is a way out of this, and it starts with queuing up to get a vaccine. You can now just turn up in Bolton.
Right now it's the Indian variant that's obviously brought the cases quite high in Bolton, and it's just a matter of, obviously, we don't want anything else causing it.
It's worrying that these cases are going up, but I don't think there's any going back now. I think, which is, that I personally think is the right thing to do. Let's get things open, get the country going again, but it's imperative that we all get this done.
It's really mentally challenging. For me, I've been really struggling during the lockdown, but coming back again is really sad.
Pete watches the ebb and flow of the vaccine queue from his driveway opposite.
The Indian version, that's only just come out, hasn't it? I mean, we had the South African one prior to that. So, I don't know. I don't know the answer. The only answer I can see is more of this, to wake everybody up.
They're having more testing too. International travel is one of the reasons why the variants are here, accelerating the infection rates. They're doing everything they can to try and disrupt the direction of that data. But with indoor hospitality about to reopen and even cautious hugging allowed from next Monday, the idea of local restrictions here is again under discussion. But as it stands, Bolton and the other UK hotspots will follow the national easing of restrictions next week.
Our schools are asking us about face coverings in schools, and a number of schools are keen to continue with that, and we would very much support that. We're also advising our care homes, particularly in that area of the town, to be cautious about extending the numbers of visitors for the time being.
The authorities need everyone's help, especially with the Muslim celebration of Eid approaching.
There has been some unease about having the vaccine during Ramadan. Does it break your fast? And same with testing, putting something at the back of your throat, does that invalidate the fast? So I would say there's a large amount of people that still haven't had the vaccine yet. And the risk is that if we meet for Eid and we pass it on to our parents and grandparents, then it's going to get out of hand again.
Hospital admissions are still far below the peaks of this pandemic, which shows the vaccine is working. But the lesson of the last year is that things change, and this virus doesn't give up. Tom Parmenter, Sky News, Bolton.